Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to understand what is the concept of function as first class citizen or first class object in Dart programming language. For that, I am creating one file. I say 21 function first class object.dart. It should be Dart, spelling mistake. So should be Dart like this. Now we say void main like this. Here under this we have to use this concept. So for that I'm creating a normal function first. So I say void display function, and this function I say print message, just to show you what is the role of this. Now for displaying the information, and I call it display like this, and I run it. I say dart run like this. Simple one. I create one more. I say here int sum n1, int n1, int n2 like this. Then I say here return n1 plus n2. Remember, simple one. It will return the value. So here I pass var sum. So this is the parameter which I am passing here. And here I call this function sum. Remember? So what is this? This is the sum function that I am passing in display. So I have to call this function here. So I say sum equal to this one, and I call this sum like this under the this. Remember, here display is a normal function, and in concept of JavaScript we can say higher order function, and we are passing this here sum as a function to this display function. So we can also say this is callback function in terms of JavaScript. But here we called it function as a first class object or first class citizen. So this is the function that doing some work and returning a value. This value we have here, but this is the function name. So this function we are calling here, it will returning a value here. So we are passing function as a parameter or argument to this display, and we try to run it. So I run it like this, but showing error. Why? Because I'm calling this function here without passing any argument. So I need to pass argument also, because this is a function one. I have to pass argument, then it will return an address. Then it will return a result. Once again, I try to execute, and you see sum equal to 66. Remember? So why? Because this is a function address. We have to call it here like compulsory to part parameter, because this is having a parameter. One more thing, that in place of var, you can also declare this like a function. As I explained in the last video also, that these are both the same. So if we are passing a function here, so we are declaring it like a function class. Now same thing is there. Once again, if I run it, same answer we have. So you have a var also, you may have the function class also. So here you see that we are passing this function as a argument to display function. So this concept we called callback function in JavaScript, but here we are calling this concept as a function as a first class citizen or first class object. Remember that. So we call this in Dart. So we do not call it callback function. And in JavaScript we call display as a higher order function, but here we don't call this like this. In JavaScript we call display as a higher order function also. Remember that, same concept, but the different way we call differently. So we calling it here function as a first class citizen or first class object. If you see in JavaScript, same concept is there, but we called it callback function there. So like this, you can pass function also in a function. That is the concept of this. So if you like it, if you understand everything, please do subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.